Hello YouTube, it has been a while since I've recorded a video. It's almost been a month now, and it's been even longer since I've done a sketch with me video. Needless to say that these types of videos are filler, just so that the YouTube algorithm doesn't completely forsaken me to you guys. So this is just sort of a video to, just put out there to let you guys know that I'm not dead, I'm not gone, I'm still around. Things are just, again, getting busy in real life. Lots of crazy things are happening right now. Of course, it would happen in the fourth quarter of the year, but what can we do? Well, one of the things is that I am sort of moving, and by sort of, I mean by the end of this month, and by sort of, I mean I'm definitely moving. I sort of have to move by the end of this month, so there's that. So I'm going to be busy packing, doing all this real stuff in real life, so there's that. And since I'm busy doing that, I am not entirely sure if I could get this artist analysis out before the end of this month. Probably not. I'm sorry. I'll definitely try to upload maybe a somewhat video, heavily edited essay type thing before the end of this month. Maybe one or two if I could muster up the time to do so. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. What else? I have an idea for a new video series. One of the comments said if I'd ever look at artists like, those Instagram artists that are pretty popular, and I always did want to do them, sort of like in conjunction with the artist analysis series, but I'm going to, I guess, make that its own series, and I already have a couple of thumbnails, and I already have a list of artists that I want to go down for that video series, so look forward to that. Hopefully you guys will like that. It's something that I could do alongside the artist analysis, while at the same time I think it will also grab the attention of whoever likes these videos. Again, I still want to make this channel centered around art and not necessarily like, anime, manga. I don't think, I don't want this channel to be mainly an anime, manga channel. And another thing, the other channel, I have not done a vlog in that other channel for a while. However, I'm getting some ideas of things to put in for that channel. I feel like my life is very turbulent as of late, so I think I could, sort of literally record the goings-ons of my life and sort of make content about that. I didn't realize how, being in New York is a constant generator for content. There's crazy things happening in this state all the time. And besides, I feel that I need to make, put enough attention for both channels, because I really need to, sort of diversify my content, because I feel if I concentrate on one thing, I might get bored, and if I get bored, I might stop trying, or at the very least, I'm not gonna ever stop doing this. I'm gonna keep doing this. It's just that my upload schedule is absolute trash, and that is not conclusive to making a successful channel or a successful online presence. So I need to work on that. It's just that having a job, finding a job, I found a job, it takes up a lot of time. Did I mention that, by the way? I found another job that to do that I think start today. I think I start today. So there's that. I don't know what time I'm going to upload this video, but the time that I'm recording this video, I'm literally getting ready for work. So there's that. Anyway, hopefully wherever I move into next, or wherever that place is, hopefully has better internet connection than this place, because we just had a router here that worked for a day and now it doesn't work. So I don't understand. I don't get it. Now I'm stuck with the buildings, like random Wi-Fi connections. So there's that. So I'm not gonna be doing a live stream until I found the place that I'm moving has really good connection, or if there's another better router that comes in soon. Anyway, I also have some art books that I want to show you guys. There was a comment saying that would the full like art book flip throughs be on my Patreon? And I'm curious, like, would you want to see like me going through every single page with the art book? I'm just curious. I want to ask you guys that, because I guess I can do that. Like, I have the shorts like on YouTube, but if you want to see like a more in-depth flip through of each art book that I have, I could put that exclusively on Patreon. I guess that's a incentive for you to guys to support me, although my Patreon has been pretty quiet as of late. I need to it's really hard to juggle like all this stuff. It's like there's YouTube that I need to juggle, putting content on Patreon I need to juggle, a job I need to juggle, and I'm moving. So it's like I'm holding, like, right now I'm spinning a lot of plates and only have 2 hands at the moment. So it's definitely a challenge. Ideally, if YouTube like blows up, if I have a better living space, I honestly think that would be nice, because as it is, it's hard to record videos when I have roommates, and those roommates make a lot of noises. Or if I have to, because they make a lot of noise, I have to like sort of sometimes record at night because they're asleep, and I get to have that span of time in which I can be assured that no one's making noise. And always coincidentally, there'll always be like some, like, not construction, but noises outside this building. So I don't know how to, coordinate a schedule in which it's the most ideal time to record and make content. And honestly, I feel like I'll play a nice place by myself. It'll give me a nice peace of mind. But it's New York, and New York is expensive, so I'm gonna have to go through this period of a slow build before I could really pop off with this channel. And I can honestly see this channel going to bigger places. Again, it's just up to me to really buckle down and make the content. Ooh, I still think that there's a bit of laziness in me that's preventing me from doing so. I do think that honestly, I'm surprised I got this far, considering that I consider myself to be somewhat lazy. But I do like this. I do like what I'm making, although there's been so much mistakes and so much artist analysis videos. But yeah, I still find this to be very fun. My passion is not going anywhere. I do like this. I'm not technically burnt out, or rather, I don't have a chance to get burnt out since I'm always taking breaks. Sometimes, like this one, like the last video or the last piece of content I did was a live stream, and that's been over a week. It's almost been 2 weeks now. Almost been 3 weeks actually. Has it? I don't know. It's been a while. So because of that, I'm not really feeling burnt out, because I'm doing constant content creation over and over and over again. I usually space out some time between videos. There'll be a span some time by which I upload something weekly, but this is not it. I am not that content creator yet, at least. Again, if I do think I have a better studio setup, etc., I can probably put out quality content in a good consistent schedule. So there's that. Also, people asked me, would I get an editor, or would I hire someone to get an editor? Personally, I don't know. I'm sort of picky and neurotic in that sort of sense. I'm really don't know if I could just hand this over to someone else to edit and bring it back to me and then upload it. I don't know. It would be probably more ideal and probably more efficient to have an editor, but I think I'm going to choose to take the hard way in doing this. So for now, I'll do my own scripts, I'll do my own artwork, I'll do my own editing, and yeah, it may be slower, and it may be probably more cost effective if I had someone else to do it, but I will go down this road the best way I know how, and that's by doing it all myself. But yeah, it's almost 10 minutes, I think, so I'm going to do my thank yous. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched up to this point, I know most people don't care to watch these videos, but for the guys that do like these videos and watch to the end, thank you for watching to this point. Comment on literally anything I said in this video. Subscribe, please. I would really appreciate it. What else can you do? My social medias, they're below. Support my Patreon if you want. You don't have to. I'll stress that you do not have to support my Patreon. It's pretty it's a ghost town. If anything, use a Patreon if you want to donate, if you want. But for now, there isn't that much content there that I could really give you guys yet. I stress yet, because it's gonna happen. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and whenever the next video is out, it will be out. I'm not sure what it is yet, and I'm not sure when. Hopefully before this month ends. The month just started, so definitely I'm gonna upload something before the month